I'm going to show you how to turn your normal bedroom pillow into something amazing. Not for better sleep, but for stronger erections. There's one simple technique. It takes 60 seconds and uses only your pillow. It activates the muscles that control your firmness, muscles most men haven't used properly in many years. And the best part is, you already have everything you need. I'm Dr. Laura, and this may sound strange at first, but trust me and leave a comment. What city and country are you watching from? Seeing support from all over the world keeps me motivated to make these videos. Now, hit subscribe. Here's what you need to know. Your inner thigh muscles, called the adductors, are not just for walking or moving your legs. They are directly connected to your pelvic floor muscles. The pelvic floor is a group of muscles at the base of your pelvis that controls 3 important functions: urination, bowel movements, and erections. Specifically, the bulbocavernosus and ischiocavernosus muscles. These muscles hold blood inside your penis during an erection and help you stay hard. When you squeeze your inner thighs together, you're not only working your leg muscles, you're starting a chain reaction that activates your entire pelvic floor. The adductors share nerve paths and tissue connections with the pelvic floor. When you squeeze them hard enough, the pelvic floor contracts automatically. Studies in physical therapy journals show that activating the adductors greatly improves pelvic floor muscle strength in men with weak pelvic floors. This is not just an idea, it's real muscle activation that can be measured. Here's why this matters for erections. Most men over 60 have weak and inactive pelvic floor muscles. These muscles don't tighten properly during arousal, so blood flows into the penis but leaks out right away. You get hard for a short time, then lose it. The pillow squeeze method wakes these muscles up. It's like sending them a reminder signal. Remember this feeling. This is what a proper contraction feels like. Do this during sex. And the best part is, everyone has a pillow. You don't need equipment or a gym. Just a pillow and 60 seconds. Here's the exact technique. Pay close attention, because most men do the positioning wrong. Step 1. Lie flat on your back on your bed or on the floor, with your arms relaxed at your sides. Your body should feel neutral and comfortable. Step 2. Take a regular pillow, not too soft and not too firm, and place it between your knees. Your knees should be slightly bent, feet flat on the bed or floor, about hip width apart. Step 3. Squeeze the pillow with your inner thighs. This is not a gentle squeeze. You are trying to compress the pillow as much as possible, like you're pushing all the air out. Step 4. Hold the squeeze for 3 seconds. While squeezing, you should feel tension in your inner thighs and a tightening feeling deep in your pelvic area. That means your pelvic floor is working. Step 5. Fully release the squeeze for 2 seconds and let your legs relax completely. Don't keep any tension. Step 6. Repeat this pattern. 3 seconds squeeze, 2 seconds release, for a total of 12 rounds. That's 60 seconds total. The rhythm matters. Squeeze hard for 3, release fully for 2. By the final reps, you should feel a deep burn in your inner thighs and strong awareness of your pelvic floor muscles working. This is what activation feels like. Your body is relearning how to use these muscles on purpose. Let me explain what results to expect so you know what to watch for. The first few times you'll feel muscle activation you haven't felt in years. Your inner thighs will burn, and you may feel a light tightening or tingling in your pelvic area. This is normal and means the muscles are waking up. Days 1 to 3, you'll notice better awareness of your pelvic floor during the day and maybe mild soreness in your inner thighs. This shows the muscles are adjusting. Days 4 to 7, many men begin noticing partial morning erections returning. Not full strength yet, but clear firmness. Your body is responding to the daily activation signal. Week 2, morning erections become more regular, and during intimacy, you may notice quicker arousal and better starting firmness as your pelvic floor gets stronger. Week 3 to 4, most men report major improvements, fuller erections, better endurance, and more confidence. The muscles have adapted and your body has learned how to contract properly during arousal. The key is consistency. Do this every day, 60 seconds before bed, every night. Make it a habit, like brushing your teeth. Now let me explain the most common mistakes so you don't waste time doing this incorrectly. Mistake 1 is using a pillow that's too soft. If it's too squishy, you won't get enough resistance. You need a pillow firm enough to challenge you. A normal bed pillow works well. Mistake 2 is not squeezing hard enough. This is not gentle. You should try to crush the pillow. If your inner thighs aren't burning by the last reps, you're not squeezing hard enough. Mistake 3 is holding your breath. Breathe normally the entire time. Holding your breath adds tension and reduces muscle activation. Mistake 4 is doing this once and expecting permanent results. These muscles need daily training. 60 seconds a day for at least 3 to 4 weeks creates lasting improvement. Mistake 5 is skipping the release phase. The 2-second release is just as important as the squeeze. Full relaxation lets the muscles reset and contract stronger on the next rep. Here's your challenge. Do the pillow squeeze every night before bed for 10 days. Just 10 days, 60 seconds each night. Days 1 to 3, focus on proper technique with hard squeezes, full releases, and steady rhythm. Days 4 to 7, notice the changes like muscle awareness and maybe partial morning firmness. Days 8 to 10, review your progress. Most men see clear improvements by day 10. If this helped you, hit like and subscribe. Leave a comment with 2 words. I'm squeezing. I read every comment and want to see who's committed. I'm Dr. Laura. Your body still works. It just needs the right activation. A pillow and 60 seconds a day is all it takes. Thanks for watching.